This is John with HookahJohn.com.
There we go. Now we are recording.
What's up, everybody? It's John with HookahJohn.com. I got a great package today. Super excited to see what it is. Do I keep the lame-ass bougie scarf on for this? It's cold here still in California. Let me see. I was told I got a package that I was waiting for. So we're going to go open it right now. And I want to show you what it's about. Excuse me, enjoying my morning smoke right now. So I want to tell you about a brand that I just got a package from. Kaloud. You know what they're famous for, the Kaloud Lotus. All the versions they keep introducing, they keep making updates to the Kaloud Lotus. You got a few versions out there. You get the Samsurus bowls. And now I got the Krysalis Collection. So let's check it out. Yep, let's check this out. Just came in DHL. I'm going to try to do an unboxing. Pretty hefty. I was told, I was asking some information. I'll get to pricing in a little bit. So I'm going to wait on that. Check out this packaging. I don't know if this is the way it's going to come to you guys. If and when you do it. So let's get a little unboxing going on here. So we got a few packages here. Let's see what we got. Great packages. Love the style that Kaloud has come up with. I'm going to try to do this fast so we can get something going for you here quickly so you don't have to watch my ugly mug. Same time, I'm going to talk to you guys about Hookah Expo Worldwide. HEW Quattro. Are you guys going to be there?
Yes, sir.
Yep, everyone's going to be there. God, I wish I had another set of hands. You ever think about that? Let me try this. Yeah. This is what I hate about unboxing videos. Hold that. It looks like we got it. Alright, don't want to break that. Sheesh, good enough packaging to smuggle in an illegal alien to the United States, right? Too soon. Shouldn't have said that. Who knows? Who cares? All good. But that's a great setup, so everything's gonna come safe. Let's see the small. God, I feel like I went shopping at Nordstrom's, huh? You got a nice. All right, like went to the Louis store. You got something. What do we got here? What's this? Careful with those bowls, bro. We got a bowl here, but what is? Oh, this is not the regular.
It's got that black glass.
Samsurus bowl. It's different though. This isn't glass. That's not glass. Check that out.
That's ceramic.
Yeah, it's some sort of ceramic clay. All right, and it's lipped to go with the Lotus, but nice and bouncy. You're not gonna break that. Let's put that away. All right. I'm gonna try to hurry this up for you guys. We're not lagging. What could this be? Obviously, it's a Lotus, but is it? Is it a Lotus? Look at that finish on there. Look at that. All right. So it looks like gunmetal. A gunmetal Lotus. All right. That looks pretty sick. For you Lotus fans, HMD fans. See, while other brands are trying, to copy the Lotus, they're coming out with more and more. Oh, look at this! Got a little spring action in there. Check out these tongs. And the material here feels like a wood or a wood. Let's get wood grain. Yeah, it could be a metal with a wood grain, a faux wood look to it. Pretty cool. And put that out there. What else do we got here? Let's guess. Is this a tray or a hose? Oh, this is a hose. I feel like it's Christmas here. It just feels like Christmas. Oh,
I think it's because of the packaging, though.
Yeah.
The packaging is
I feel like I just came back from South Coast Plaza, right? Or Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. Man, dude, feel that. Put your hands on it. I always wanted to make a hose out of that material. Too late. Too late. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. All right. That looks like a hose. It's just, I don't know what this is for yet. What is this for? What's that? Oh, a little mouth tip here? Your own little mouth tip? Oh yeah. It's got a little rubber in there maybe? Or is it here? Somehow it just slides together. But what's this for? That's not for that. We'll have to find
You might
out.
be able to replace the connectors for different sizes.
Maybe so you can put it onto another. No.
Try to just put it on top. Yeah.
Yeah, fits right there. So good call, cameraman. We can. God, it feels like there's rubber in here somewhere, but it doesn't look like it. All right, so on to the big boy here. This big box. Like I got a new bag for my wife at South Coast. All right. Oof. I like the rumble. You know what's cool about this packaging? What's this? A poster? Oh my god, it comes with Velcro. Check this out.
No way.
What is that? All right.
Looks like you with your donkey.
There we go. There we go. Put that up somewhere. Nice little. We can get a nice frame on that. All right. Now, what do we got here? Oh, they got. I like their messages they put on their packaging. Designed with love in the heart of a baby unicorn. Patent numbers and all this stuff. Great. Kaloud Krysalis. This is the Eltheria, so I don't know if they're gonna have.
Yeah, I think on this it's got oracles.
No, I don't see that. So I guess the name of the hookah is the Krysalis Eltheria, and maybe. Anyways, let's get to it. We'll have more information as it comes up on the website. All right, so more parts. Okay, little rubber bottom so you can like. We get some gaskets. Oracle. Huh. But I don't know. We'll find out more when they come up on the site. Not glass, so it's probably not breakable. Not glass, so it's probably not breakable. Remote for a light. I don't know what this is. I really don't know how to put this together. So we're just. Does it come with instructions? This video is gonna be longer than I thought. Ooh, look, a gift card. Look, Mom, a gift card. What is this? Tells you how to put it together. Oh, here's a little something. What does it say? A serial number. You must have chaos within you to give birth to a dancing star by Frederick Nietzsche. Do you know how to pronounce Nietzsche?
I have no idea.
All right.
Let's see.
We're some unlearned mofos here. All right, let's see. Sounds like somebody important.
Dude,
More parts.
this is better than the Apple card.
Yeah, nice and thick, like one of those Amex black cards. Okay, now we get a light here. Jeez, I'm gonna take all day. What I should do, try to figure out. Did I figure it out on the spot? Let's see. Hopefully this
We
desk
could
is
cut
safe.
on that camera.
Huh?
We could cut on that camera.
Yeah.
This one will keep rolling.
Okay. No.
You click a pause on
Look, there's these
Quick
things
pause.
that look like
Yeah,
no. Okay, look, I'm gonna guess what it is, but I'm gonna read all this stuff later. We'll come back to you. Oh yeah, because it's got directions here. Should I do it on set? You want to figure it out? Because I don't want to figure it out right now. There are instructions here. All right, so go ahead and hit pause, and we'll be right back.
Back.
And we're back with the Jack and Rod show here. All right. So it didn't take long. We were only gone for about 5 minutes and read the instructions, and we're able to figure it out. If I was able to figure it out with a little bit of help with some friends, it's not that difficult. So let's see if I can replicate what we did. All right. So it gives you the order of which everything goes in. This looks like a little stabilizer for this is your base, not your glass base or your where you put water in. But this looks like a little stabilizer. I'm gonna get in here, and then we put in this, right? Does this have to be squeezed in? No, this just rests on it. Like, yay. There's no way. There's no way. If you think about it, your hose were. Oh, I know why. Because it goes over like this, and there's space in there. All right, get it? So your hose and purge ports are in here. It's not gonna. It may not make sense if you're as, like, how does air get in there? But because of the way this is, there is airflow in there, and this thing plugs in. So Make sure that we're airtight in here. All right, there you go. Oh, check out that base, man. Check that out. Look at that. Pretty sick, huh? We didn't even notice this when we were setting up, but that's pretty sick.
Turn it over. It's a nice little tread pattern.
Nice. God. So I did get word that the hookah alone
You gotta line it up.
is going to be $349.99, but that doesn't include the hose, bowl, lotus. All right, so this came apart too. This was a separate piece, so we just put the bowl onto there. Now, if I'm wrong, I'm sure you guys will figure it out later, or Lotus will see this and they'll be like, John, you messed up. Put that there. No, we did. We messed this up. Where does this go?
It goes in the middle. So you got to take that, the top dome off, and it will go on top of that. Yep.
Like that. What does all this do? It's gonna be a longer video than I thought. All right. Put the bowl here. Right. The great thing is there's no glass, so nothing's gonna break on you. All right. All right. Oh, I guess we could have put this in the light. So you plug your hose in there.
Oh, dude, put the light on.
All right, maybe later when we're smoking. And then you've got a diffuser.
It's already in.
No.
I mean, no,
purge.
sorry. This is the purge. But back, speaking of diffusers, it looks like you've got they give you 3 spare diffusers. I don't know if there's something in there because they look like they're almost filters. So I don't know if see? That feels like something's in there. Feels like there's filters in there, but I'm not sure. And this thing comes apart here. So who knows how much the whole setup is. I'll show you guys in a bit. If I get that info. So you can, I didn't show you guys anything. So this part comes out and you can replace it with, that's empty. That feels like it's got something in there. Empty. Feels like it's got something in there. I don't know what that is that's in there. So we'll find out more. Wow. What a beast. What a beast. Where do we put the light, you think? Should I try to figure out where the...
My guess is it's gonna,
Right under that one.
in that little circle.
Should we light this bad boy up now?
Yeah.
All right.
Other way, light, other way.
Thank
You're
you.
not turning it on yet, dude.
Jeez. All right.
But you'd have to take it.
We'll be
Oh, I gotta
right
clean it.
back and be smoking this thing. All right. Be right back. All right, guys. We are back with the Kaloud. What are we calling this thing? There's like 4 names to it. No name there. That's not the name. It's a Krysalis. They call this something else.
Oracle.
One
right
person
here.
is saying it's an Oracle,
On the side of this box.
and it's an Eltheria. The Krysalis Eltheria. This says Nearest on the box. It says Oracle somewhere else. So we'll get. There's a little bit of confusion because it's HookahJohn. I don't have an attention span. So we got some extra pieces that we're trying to figure out what they are. These go into the down stem. I don't know if they're filters. I suspect there's filters in some of them. I may be wrong. Then here on the purge, I'm thinking you can take out the purge and you can add another silicone hose over this. So you can do that. And throw, you got a lot of air. And then you can stick some silicone in there. Okay, that's a guess. I'm sure I'm right, but I may be wrong. Put the purge back in there. And then this looks like a piece for another bowl. I don't have a grommet, but the only thing is, and I'm trying to get clarification on it, can you use another bowl on it? The only thing is, if you connect this to the down stem will actually hit the bottom of the base, which I don't think is an issue because of the way the down stem is built with holes around the side of it. So now, and so you got this piece here, you can use this thin restricted tip or you can go wide gauged. And it's cool. I mean, this is just cool, like ambiance if you want. If you're in a lounge and they just put this on your table, it's totally cool. Kaloud coming at it. I don't know, how many years do you think Kaloud's been out now? You think they've hit the 5-year mark?
5, 6.
I think we're definitely getting these in. It's gonna be, so if I didn't mention pricing, the hookah alone with no hose, no tongs, no bowl or adapter, Okay, I'm gonna go by memory now. It's $350 for the hookah. Then you already know how much the bowl and Lotus are. I think the bowls are like $40 and or 45, something like that. And then the Lotus is $50. The hose is something like $80, and these are $70. These are cool tongs, spring loaded, so they always go to open position except for when you're using them. So you can buy all the components separately, and I want to thank Kaloud for sending this to me and thank him for what they're doing to like kind of like doing something modern that nobody else is doing. I mean, there's a lot of great stuff going on in the hookah industry. A lot of great brands coming to HEW Quattro. I hope Kaloud will do it this year. You know what? He might. Remember, I talked to him and he said when they have the Krysalis ready, it's going to they will exhibit. So hopefully they'll come out. They can demonstrate them. They can show them to you a lot better than I can. So now you get some up close pictures and all. And yeah, do you want to get it? This is where HookahJohn doesn't say, oh, it's the best hookah ever, or you have to have one, or I give it a 5 francs out of Frank. What does he say? 5 francs out of 5. I don't do that stuff. I just say it's neat. Check it out. If you're interested, you can get it. I don't know when they're going to be available, but when they are, you know where to get them at your boy HookahJohn.com. And that's it. This video's been long enough. I'm going to let you guys go. And thanks for watching. And in the words of Brandon Olofsson, smash that subscribe button. Did I say it right? All right. All right. Love you guys. I'll see you.